Hello guys, what's up? This is Chaudhary back with another video. In this video, we are going to review the new Amkette Boomer Mini 360 Bluetooth speaker. So let's get started. If you're interested in reading the specifications, you can have a look at the top of the box where all the specifications are written. It has a charging time of around 2.5 hours and it can go up to 8 hours of regular usage. Talking about the contents inside the box, when you open the box for the first time, you will find a Bluetooth speaker in a plastic wrapper. I have already removed the plastic wrapper in the first try, so you're not going to find it here. Now, if you talk about the other things in the box, you will find a user manual, a coupon code if you want to buy the second speaker for TWS. I will explain what is TWS in the later part of the video. Then you have a little box on the left side which contains the aux cable and also the micro USB cable to charge the speakers. So that was it for the unboxing of the product. Now let's talk about the physical overview and the review of the product. Talking about the physical overview of this Bluetooth speaker comes with rubberized coating on all sides which gives it resistance to shock. So if this Bluetooth speaker fall from a height of 2-3 meters or 4 meters or from your bed, then it won't have any issues. On the top of the speaker you will find all the volume control buttons and the power button which can be used to switch on and off the Bluetooth speaker. It can be also used to trigger Google Assistant on your Android devices.
Play Faded by Alan Walker on YouTube.
Faded by Alan Walker, sure. Playing on YouTube.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
So that was a little sound test for you guys in an open environment. Now talking about the TWS functionality. The TWS functionality lets you connect two speakers to one mobile device at the same time. One speaker will act as a left speaker, the other speaker will act as a right speaker. This can also help you play games like PUBG. It will also give you a 3D sound system in which you will feel like the sound is coming from all the sides to you. So it will act like a 3D sound system for you if you connect two speakers at the same time. This speaker is sold at a price tag of Rs 1800 on Amazon.in. At a price tag of 1800 you get a sturdy speaker which is shockproof. The sound is also good. You also get TWS functionality. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Click the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful and share for more videos like this.